Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Lemonade Software, where we try to help you bridge the gap between technology and your day-to-day business. So in my search to finding cool things that I can show you guys to do and useful things mainly, right? One of the big things right now that's going on is this social distancing because of the coronavirus. So today you're gonna learn how to make your cell phone into a webcam, into one of these. So stay tuned. Hopefully you find this useful. If you've subscribed, thank you. Please like the channel, click down below and subscribe. Okay, so stick around. Hey, so right here we're looking at my cell phone casted onto my screen just for ease of use. Let's download the first application that the cell phone needs. It's called Droid. So let's go to the Google Play Store. We're in the Google Play Store. Let's look up the application Droid. And we have two. We have Droid and Droid X. We want Droid, the one that is free. Let's download that. Let's get it installed and working for us. Great, it's installed. Let's open up another tab. We need to actually get the client software, and that can be found at www.that47apps.com. And this is the part that's going to be installed on your computer. So let's download it. We need it for Windows, for Windows client. Downloading it shouldn't take too long. Let's click Droid. Just give it a couple more seconds. It's almost done. Great, it's done. Let's click, let's run it, and let's set it up. Let's get it installed. Let's go through the prompts, licensing, everything looks fine here. Let's click next. Where do we want to install it? Let's click next. Shortcuts, install. We're almost there. It's done installing. Next. The Android Cam app is good. Let's just make sure that the icon is there. Just trying to confirm that it's been installed. Yeah, it's been installed properly. Great. Let's look for the client. It's Droid client. So click on it. Let's run it. We're not going to use Wi-Fi. We're connected through USB. So let's click on the USB. Our phone isn't on the list. Let's click refresh. And it should shortly appear on our list. Great, it's there. Let's click start. Oh, right. I haven't opened up the app in the actual phone. So let's click OK. Let's go to the phone. Let's click the actual application on the phone. Next, got it. Give the permissions. Great, it launched the way it should have. Now let's run the Android client again on our computer. Let's refresh to get our phone on the list. Great, it's on the list. Let's click start. If everything goes good, we'll see something. Okay, right now it's looking out the back of my phone cam. As you can see, I'm kind of fiddling with it a bit. Okay, great, so that works. Let's close that down. Here, you'd actually be able to switch between the front and the back cam in this icon right here. So let's click on that. I select the front cam just so when we launch for Zoom, we're able to work through it properly. Again, this is where you would select the cam. So let's get our Zoom program running. Let's create a new meeting. Once it launches, give it a second. Okay, new meeting. Join with computer audio. Now let's select a camera source. As you can see, now we have these Droid Cam source 3 and source 2. Just select one of them. To be honest with you, I don't know what the difference is. Both of them work fine for me. Once again, let's launch the client program on the computer. Great, it launched, everything worked good. Let's go back to our Zoom. Click on it and select our source, confirm it's there, and click on it. Great, now we're using our phone as the video source. Hey, so I hope you found that useful. You can reach us directly here in the messages below. I answer comments, or you can follow us both on Facebook at facebook.com/Lemonade Software Inc. You can follow us on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/company/Lemonade Software Inc. or on our Instagram at instagram.com/Lemonade Software Inc. If you have any questions, we're here to help you. Have a great one.